how to add your favorite games to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Then click these 3 points and click edit profile, and that's it. Now scroll down and click interests and then click favorite games, and that's it. Now just type your favorite games here and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.